Hey everyone, in today's session I would be discussing about MDR varieties of tomato. Yes, this session is specifically meant for discussing the MDR varieties of tomato only. This is quite a very important topic for JRF horticulture, as well as this topic is going to be very important for all of you who are preparing for, who are aspiring for cracking the CUET PG entrance examination specific for the subject horticulture. So now let me tell you what actually this MDR term means. MDR refers to any variety that is multiple disease resistant. So what does this term multiple disease resistant means? Any variety that shows resistance to more than one disease is known as multiple disease resistant variety. In several crops of horticulture, several kinds of MDR varieties have been released. But since our topic for today's session is MDR variety of tomato, so we will restrict ourselves to tomato only. So let me start with the very first variety of tomato, which is under this category, and that's Arka Rakshak. As the name suggests, Arka Rakshak means Raksha Dene Wala. So this variety protects tomato from three different diseases. And if you're aspiring for JRF, you're aspiring for CUET, then you also need to know which are the three diseases which this particular variety is resistant to. So the first particular disease is tomato leaf curl virus. The second particular disease to which this variety is resistant is bacterial wilt. In the case of tomato, bacterial wilt is caused by a bacteria that's named as Pseudomonas, which is also known as Ralstonia. And the third disease to which this Arka Rakshak variety is resistant is early blight. And I hope so that you people must be knowing the causal agent of early blight. And if you have no idea about that, then let me tell you that early blight is caused by Alternaria solanae, and that's a fungus. So this is the first MDR variety of tomato. Now let us come to the second variety, and this variety is known as Arka Samrat. So this Arka Samrat variety, which is an MDR variety of tomato, is also resistant to tomato leaf curl virus, as well as it is resistant to early blight, which I am now writing it as EB, as well as it is resistant to BW. So what is this BW? This BW is again bacterial wilt. So this is the second number of variety which we have done under tomato today. And the third variety, which comes under the category of multiple disease resistant variety, is Arka Abhed. This Arka Abhed has been asked so many times in various examinations. So I would request you all to put a star mark over here so that every time you read about this, you feel like that yes, it is an important variety and we need to learn about this. When we talk about Arka Abhed, so Arka Abhed is also known as H397. Sometimes these kind of questions are also asked in various types of examination. And besides that, our Arka Abhed variety is also resistant to tomato leaf curl virus, as well as to early blight, as well as to it is resistant to late blight, and plus it is resistant to wilt. So just now look at this character of Arka Abhed. It is resistant to 4 different diseases. So it's one of the very wonderful varieties of tomato which has been released by IIHR because it is resistant to 4 different diseases at a time. What a wonderful variety this is. It's resistant to tomato leaf curl, it's resistant to early blight, to late blight, as well as to wilt. And let me tell you another important point that late blight in the case of tomato or in the case of potato is always caused by a fungus which is better known as Phytophthora infestans. I hope you liked this session. That was all for today's session. Thank you so much.